Today we are going to make one of the beautiful Kanzashi flower. Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty sewing channel. To make this flower, here I am taking the satin ribbon which is having the width 2.5 cm. This flower consists of 7 petals. So that here I am taking 7 ribbon pieces. Each ribbon piece having the length 10 cm. In our channel we are done with many flowers. Among them, you can use some of the flowers for your brooch works, crafts, hair accessories, etc. If you are interested, please visit our channel videos. If you are making the flower with the 2 cm ribbon, then you have to take the length 8 cm. In other words, we can say when we change the width of the ribbon, length also will change. Now take one ribbon piece and give heat touch up to the edges of the ribbon as shown here to prevent the raw edges. Now fold the ribbon into half to find out the midpoint. Based on that midpoint, wear one fold facing downwards and another one facing upwards as shown here. Shown in the video, join that 2 points by giving heat touch up. Similarly join the other side as shown here. Now give another fold as shown here and join that fold by giving heat touch up. And also use clip here to hold the fold as shown here. Now all the 7 petals are ready. Take the needle along with thread and join them as shown here. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming and beautiful videos. Please share to your friends, those who are interested in art and craft. If you have any doubts or comments, let me know in the comments. Now take the round base, apply glue to it to stick the bottom of the flower as shown here. Round base prevents the movement of the petals, and in middle of the flower decorate with any ornamental stone. Now beautiful flower is ready to use. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.